Johnson here. Quick video on the AV-8B Harrier and the DMT TV sensor at the front of the aircraft. Alright, let's get started. Alright, let's go over the keys for today. Cage and uncage. Sensor select aft. We'll turn on the DMT screen. Sensor select forward will help us out with our Mavericks that we brought with us today. And TDC action button also will be needed. Okay, I put 4 IR Mavericks on. So let's get this warmed up. Master arm on. Air to ground. Sensor select switch aft will bring up your LST screen. See it on the right display screen, searching for a laser right now. If you hit it again, it'll bring up the TV. You really got to crank the gain up on this to see anything. So here, let's just get that over with. Alright, so at this point you want to hit the TDC action button. That will let you slew the TV. Alright, so I've got a few transports out here, so let's take a look at those. Right, you see them on my right hand display screen right now. Again, you really got to adjust the gain. Maybe the contrast, just to get it right. Alright, I can see it pretty well there. Alright, so we're on those, so let's bring up our weapons. Okay, so we've got our Mavericks up. Cage uncage. Sensor select forward. We're going to zoom in. I already put a hit on them. It should auto lock as soon as we get close to one. There we go. Now, when you turn the Mavericks on, it automatically points in the same area that that TV sensor is pointing to get you close so that you can fine tune after that with the Maverick. There we go. Okay, so let's now try the LST, Laser Search Track. So we want sensor select aft. You'll notice right hand display screen that's searching for a laser right now.
Colt 1, laser on.
I have a Predator up here. He's lasing for us right now, so he picked it right up. You'll see it boxed in right there. Looking good. Perfect. Alright, like and subscribe. Hope to see you on the game server. Johnson out.